Hi guys, MT is in a new relationship. He posted a picture of her new girlfriend on his socials, and the caption was, "I don't wanna lie, mami, ngizokunika lonke uthando lwami." I don't wanna lie, mami, I'm gonna give you all my love. Wow, that is so sweet. And the girl she looks cute. Not gonna lie, she looks very cute. So guys, obviously people had a lot to say about this, so let's get into it. This one said she's a 10, I can tell. Yeah. Bro, relax. Ungakhohlwa ingane zakho bafo. Eish. This one said, wawufunani vede endiyeni? Zinesicefe leza zinto ngo-love bombing. Ubekezelile kodwa dog. Awukahili kodwa uzodlala ngengane yabantu. Udinga itherapy wena. Ufebe before committing to a relationship. Eish, yani. Hey! Hlaba lo wamlungu ocula naye wena, maybe uzokuphatha kahle yena. Hey, ayabantu. She has a tattoo. Run fast, fast. Guys, what is wrong with having a tattoo? Like, I have 4 tattoos and there's nothing wrong with me. Like, what do you mean? The avocado really shifted something in the head. Ngiyadlala. She actually has a version of you. Angazi kanjani, but yeah. Oh, this one is Swati. Angati kanjani, guys. I used to be obsessed with Siswati until I started dating a guy who was Swati and he was a dick. So after that, I was like, nah, I'm good. Bro, please love her. Wehlise kwizinto ezidakayo. Ziyasimoshela. We so soon, dog. Bazokuphinda. Watch the space. Ujola nomuntu ofuna ifame. Hayi wena uzoba ithuluzi bafo. Eish. No wonder you revealed the secret about your previous partner. You already had this one. You got a female version of yourself. Hey baba, lalela la. Before you move on, feba qala. This is too soon for my liking. It might end in tears for you. No hating, just facts. I thought it's Mogellings. Hayibo kanjani manje? Let me look at her again. I see, it's kancane. If this is not content, MT, this is your type, bro, for real. Learn from your mistakes now. There's no need to settle down. Just keep on moving forward and enjoy your budget. Hey, inobugangstanyana le ntombazana. Munike lonke mfana, nencika mnike dog yami. Hayibo. Makusekusha ubone ngathi ndalelweni. Umnikezwe uNkulunkulu kanti maye. Hey, hey, hey. Hey ngoba. Hey. Ay. Please my dog, take it easy. Nala kwintangu, so you can see things clear in your new relationship. Hey. Anyway, that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please share your thoughts under the comments, and I'll see you guys on my next one.